Retail India Jewelry Awards, and I'm really glad to be a part of this beautiful journey for last 3 years. And I've seen improvement, and I hope next year would be even better.
You played really very creatively with your hair. Could you elaborate on it?
I always like experimenting with hair. As an artist, I like to create. So with my own self, also with my hair, I like to do always something different. That's what I like.
And who are you wearing?
I'm wearing my very dear friend. It's a birthday gift to me from Nita Lula. And I'm wearing these gorgeous earrings which are designed and made by Paulami Sanghi. I think she's fantastic. Her stones, she knows what I like. So she just creates magic for me always. Thank you. Jewelry is always exciting. So I think that it's just a great idea to celebrate any industry that deals with making you feel good about you. Basically, these awards have been one of the oldest and most prestigious awards, and I believe it's the Oscars of the retail jewelry industry. I think it's amazing because I think every girl loves jewelry. There's so many occasions that you wear them, and these people really go out of their way to stock their stores with everything that a girl could want. My love with jewelry, oh my God, since I was a baby. I think every girl comes out of her mummy's tummy thinking, I know what I'm going to get in my dowry with jewelry. That's what we're most excited about. But it just depends. I think it's a very subjective thing where jewelry is concerned. I mean, like anything. I love it. I really enjoy it. I feel scared to wear real jewelry most times because you're so worried you're going to lose it. So you have to be very careful. That's my only thing.
तनिषा, heavy jewelry ज़्यादा पहनना पसंद है या क्योंकि आज आपने काफी minimum jewelry पहनी है?
आज मैंने सिर्फ एक रिंग पहना है क्योंकि आई थिंक अभी जो काफ़ी बड़ा रिंग है एंड इट्स क्वाइट क्रेजी सो आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट इनफ फॉर टुनाइट. Just have a great evening. It's going to be a great night, and I wish everybody all the best. May the best person win. Hi.
There are specials from your
Yeah.
Kainat, you are looking beautiful today.
Thank
Tell
you.
us about your jewelry you are wearing.
Well, I'm not wearing any jewelry from the event tonight, but I love, basic jewelry. It's not like something expensive or something like that. I just go with the flow. So I was just wearing a Pakistani dress tonight. So I just thought to wear something gold. So because gold is a color which reflects royalty. So yes, I just thought of wearing, which was just going with my outfit. But yeah, tonight it's an award night. So jewelry is something, it's a girl's best friend, especially diamonds. So I'm fortunate and I'm glad that I'm part of this evening. And I'm looking forward to go inside and probably going to present the best one. And I hope the best one wins. Yeah, there are many actually. I'm not going to reveal that right now, but yeah. There is this pendant which my father gifted me. It's a gold pendant which says Ma in Hindi. and I love my mother a lot, and she's not keeping well. So I'd gone back home and I asked my father that I need my mother. Could you give me my mother? I want to go back to Bombay. Can I take her with me? So my father said, well, I can't give you your mother, but I can give you something else. So I said, okay, give me a pendant, a gold pendant which says Ma in Hindi, which I wear it on my neck, and it is right next to my heart. So tonight I'm not wearing it, but normally I wear it all the time. So yeah, that is one jewelry which is really special to me and close to my heart. Yes, we just did a reshoot with Ramu for Secret, the climax cut, and the film has shaped out really well. I've seen the film, the final cut, and it's a thriller. Apart from that, I've signed 2 other more films, which is again a sequel of a hit series. I can't talk about that, but it's starting in 2 months. And apart from that, my comedy film with Rishi Kapoor ji is almost ready, and then there is a film with Chitrangda Singh with Wave Cinema, which is in the pipeline. Plus, many events are going on, and things like this keeps happening. So, yeah, I'm always busy. Never. I'm not at all a good contender who can go inside the Bigg Boss house. I'm not the right choice, actually. I think I'll be awful. I'll be bad. I won't be able to give any elements. Bigg Boss is something you need a lot of TRPs, and I don't think so. I'm the right choice. So Bigg Boss is for people who have got some unique mind. I don't have that mind.
What is freedom means to you?
Freedom to me is happiness. Freedom to me is the ability to choose anything which gives happiness. It's important in today's world to have a sense of aliveness. So freedom is everything. So yes. I beg your pardon? Independence Day wish. Well, hi, this is Kainat Arora, and I would love to wish all the viewers a very, very happy Independence Day. Love you all. Sorry?
Indian sports stars के लिए Olympic के लिए.
You know, I don't want to sound like one of those actresses. I didn't know about Olympics right now. So right now I'm here for the jewelry thing. So let's talk about that. I'm the wrong choice again. I think they're smiling. They'll give you the answer to that. Cut. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
मैम रुक गया मैम यार
On your left. Elena, on your left.
रुक गया होल्ड
Again, everyone else. I just saw you all. Hanji? You can ask questions here and you look straight. आपकी आवाज़ सुनानी है. I got to know about this event. I think it's a really lovely event, a retail jeweler awards. And I think it's really lovely. I think for the past 12 years they've been having this. And I think it's really fascinating because women love diamonds and they love jewelry. And I just picked this out to wear this tonight. It's really pretty. So I think it's a really nice way to have a lot of jewelers and a lot of different designers showcase their jewelry and their designs. And I'm just happy to be here. Yes.
Really standing out the crowd today by wearing a formal attire because
Thank you.
everyone is like gowns and everything.
Really?
Is it?
It's all about being powerful. Well, I love it. I think it's really comfortable and I love the fact. I think maybe I'm trying to ape the West a little bit, but I saw one of these Hollywood actresses wear a suit, and I just think it's such a lovely thing to wear. It's comfortable, I envy men because y'all can wear pants all the time. So it's really nice to wear a suit for a change.
Elena, are you happy with all the Bollywood brand media promoting Oscar?
Of course. I mean, why wouldn't I be happy? I think it's lovely that there are so many actors. So, today Sonam was nice enough to put a video for us. So it's really lovely that they're supporting our film, and it's making me very nervous because the expectation is really high. And it's been about a year and a half since Happy Ending, so fingers crossed. I hope you guys watch it, and I hope you guys get it.
And so recently you visited Kapil Sharma. What do you know about this? How was it?
It was lots of fun. You're going to see it soon. So let me know what you think. I hope you find it funny. अच्छा अभी बात हुई बहुत प्रमोशन हो रही है मुझे कैसे लग रहा है फिर भी जी देख हम मैं अभी प्रमोशन से आई सुबह से लेके मतलब यहाँ तक कभी इनको पता है वो हमारे साथ ही थे फोटोग्राफर्स मेरे हिसाब से तो काफ़ी प्रमोशन हो रही है आई थिंक होनी चाहिए you shouldn't go overboard it should be quality as opposed to quantity and I think Akshay is an expert when it comes to promoting his film so I mean I'm a newcomer so I'm just going behind him you were waiting to say something you change your glasses today tell me Chupa Rustam. I thought it was so funny. I couldn't understand what he was doing initially, but it was so funny. And then again, I mean, that's Ranveer Singh for you. He's someone you can expect the anecdote from. So I think he's amazing. He's really amazing.
Elena, Independence Day is coming. I want to ask, what is the meaning of freedom?
There's a lot. Someone said Rustam. There's a lot of meanings. For me, I think the true meaning of freedom would be for me to be able to say things, and not just me, anybody, to be able to say things without offending people. Like, be respectful, but लोगों को थोड़ा सा broad-minded होना. Just try and accept things and try not to spread so much hate. Because कभी-कभी क्या होता है, you say something just out of being honest, and then people take it the wrong way. कभी-कभी offend हो जाते हैं. So try not to take it too personally. And just people should be free to say what they want in a respectful manner, I think. So that's what I think freedom is.
Would you like to wish your audience?
Absolutely. I would like to wish everybody a very, very, very happy Independence Day. And I don't want to send a lot of messages across, but all I'd like to say is just please spread love and not hate. So, yes. That's my only wish. Thank you so much. Thank you guys.
Ma'am, look here. Ma'am, here please. Divya, ma'am, यहाँ में क्या है? ये क्या हो रहा है कि आप? Ma'am, here.
Thank you. I'm wearing Gauri and Nenika's outfit. It's a beautiful dress, and I'm wearing my personal collection. Yeah, so I think diamond is a girl's best friend, so you can see some diamonds here. You know, jewelry बहुत important होती है. I think हर किसी की life में because बहुत सारे occasions mark करती है. When you get married, तब आपको jewelry मिलती है. So I think when I got married, my parents gifted me a beautiful necklace and बहुत sentimental value hold करता है वो. So yes. So I was here to judge the works of the various jewelers at the Retail Jeweler India Award, and display was awesome. जो jewelry थी, I mean, it was just amazing and extremely difficult to judge. And to the awards, so I want to wish them all the best and keep growing, keep giving us such stunning designs year after year.
T-Series synonymous for music. Recently, I watched a single "Pyar Manga Hai Tumhi Se." Getting mixed reviews from the audiences. People are also terming it as semi-pop. So, what is your take on it? Because T-Series has always produced and given beautiful music. This is the first time I think you're getting a semi-pop hit.
I think सबको TV पे जाने से पहले सेंसर होता है, and Fortunately or unfortunately, you know, internet के लिए there is no censorship. So internet पे तो बहुत कुछ available होता है, you know. So it's up to a person to judge it. It's up to the audience to judge. But we just cater to the demand, and जो demand होती है market में, you know, we cater to it, and we're a company that provides entertainment to the audience. And of course, TK लिए censorship है, so those shots would be removed and given. You know, my announcement, जब मेरी स्क्रिप्ट फाइनल हो जाएगी, अभी स्क्रिप्ट भी रीच नहीं हुई है, so I've not done any casting right now.
आशी के बारे में कुछ फाइनलाइज हुआ?
अभी कुछ नहीं. I think इन्होंने बहुत अच्छा डिफाइन किया कि you're an independent woman और इंडिपेंडेंस डे आ रहा है. I think हर वुमेन इंडिपेंडेंट होनी चाहिए इनमें, बिकॉज यू नो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है विमेन के लिए अपने पैरों पे खड़ा होना और क्रिएटिव ना और इंडिपेंडेंट होना. और इसके लिए इट्स इक्वली इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर मेन. सपोर्ट देम, वेदर यूर अ फादर और यूर अ हस्बैंड, यू शुड सपोर्ट योर डॉटर्स, योर वाइफ्स, योर सिस्टर्स. एंड येस, दैट्स ट्रू इंडिपेंडेंट विमेन. So let me celebrate this Independence Day. You know, credit to those men who provide us with so much of independence and allow us to live our dreams.